Hello, my dear students. Good afternoon, all of you. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and safe at your home. This is your Egyptian, my dear students, and this is a fourth maths class. Which class? Fourth maths class. And today, what we are going to learn, my dear students? Today, we are going to learn a chapter number 4, time. Understood? Today what we are going to learn, my dear students? Today we are going to learn a chapter number 4. So my dear students, before starting our session, I am telling you today we are going to learn chapter number 12 time. In further exercise number 12a, question number 3 and 4 we are going to learn today. Today we are going to learn exercise number 12a, question number 3 and question number 4. These both questions we are going to learn. Get my points, all my dear students? Understood? I hope you all are understood, my dear students. Got my points? So now before starting our session, I am going to present here today's code. Got my points? So I am going to present here today's code. What is the today's code? Understood, all my dear students? So now let's check what is the today's quote. Today's quote is what? Today's quote is life is long lesson in humility. Humanity. Got my point? Life is a long lesson in a humanity. Got my point? Understood? I hope you all are understood, my dear students, what I am telling you. And here we are going to learn telling the time. What my points? What is the name of our chapter? Chapter number 12, and its name is what? Telling the time. What my points? Chapter number 12, and its name is what? Telling the time. Got my points? Understood? I hope you all are understood, my dear students. Note down this all things in your book, dear all. Got my points, all dear? What I am telling you. So, my dear all students, what I am telling you, write the name, take out your books and keep it with you all stationery, compass box, pen, pencil, etc. You have to note down this all important things. Understood, all dear? Telling the time, you have to note down the all things in your book. Telling the time. Note down this all things, my dear students, in your book. I hope you all are understood, dear all. So, put a heading over there, all dear. What we are going to learn? Exercise number. I am going to write here. Exercise number 12A. Exercise number 12A. What are my points? And then after here, question number 3 we are going to learn today. What my points? Understood? I hope you all are understood, my dear all students. Note down these all things in your book, dear all. Got my points? Exercise number 12, question number 3. Got my points? I hope you all are understood, my dear all. So note down this whole heading, my dear students. Exercise number 12, question number 3. Note down this book in your rough book. Do fast, all my dear students, and then I am going to be a starter. Question number 3. Do fast. So let's check here the question number 3. What is the question number 3? Draw the hands and show the time. What we have to draw, my dear students? We have to draw the hands and show the time. Draw the hands and show the times. Got my points? Understood, all my dear students? I hope you all are understood, dear. Do fast. And no need to draw. If you are going to be draw, if you have to draw this clock, so you have to draw now in your rough book. Got my points, all of you? Do fast. Understood, all dear? Note down this all things, my dear all. I hope you all are understood, dear all. See, this is what we have to draw here, the hand. Minute hand and hour hand. Hour hand and minute hand. Minute hands we have to draw. What, my dear students? We have to draw a minute hand and hour hand. But my points, all my dear students. So clock number A is what, my dear students? In clock number A, dear all, in a clock number A, my dear all students, see what is the time of first clock number one. The time of first clock is 7:23. Time is what, my dear students? 7:23. How you will be going to be a present? A before two dot, a 7 is represent as a overhead. Okay, my dear all students. So now I am going to be a draw here. 7 is here. 7 is what, all dear? Small head. Okay, and where is the 23? See here, 25 is represented here, and 5 is represented 25, and 4 is represented 20 minutes. So 20, then after 21, 22, and here is 23. Got my points, all my dear students? Note down these all things in your book, dear. I hope you all are understood, all my dear. Do fast. Note down this time in your book, dear. As like that, compulsory you have to draw the clock and mention the time, all my dear. I'll give you time. Do fast. Do fast, all my dear students. What I'm telling you, first of all, you have to draw this clock and then note down the time 7:23. And then after, we are going to be a check a clock number B 11:48. What we are going to be a check? 11:48. Note down these things in your book, my dear all. Understood? So now let's check. We are going to write the time of 11:48. What, all my dear students? 11:48. Okay, so 11 is what? 11 hour and 48 minutes. So small hand we are going to draw there. Put my points, all my dear students, what I am telling you. "48" and 9 is what represented 45. Then after 46, 47 and 48. But my point is it is a represented what, my dear students? Note down the time in your book, my dear students. I hope you all are understood. 11:48. 48. Note down these things in your book, dear. I hope you all are understood, dear all. Okay. So as like that, my dear students, we have to draw. We have to show the time of given times. We have to show this. We have to show this all time. And then after we will going to check the question number C and question number D. What we are going to do, then after we are going to draw a next thing. Means next clock. Question number C and question number D. So do fast, all my dear students. So let's check, my dear students, question number C and question number D. So what is the question number C, all my dear students? Question number C is represented at 10:47, means 10 o'clock and 47 minutes. How many minutes, my dear all students? How many minutes, all dear? 10 10 hours, 10 o'clock and 47 minutes. Got my points, on my dear students? So note down this time and clock. I'll give you time, dear all. Do fast. You have to write this all time, huh, dear? So do dear students, you have to mention the both time as like that. You have to mention this this both clock and time as like that all dear. But my points all my dear students understood. I hope you all are understood all dear. Okay, so let's take 10 o'clock and 57 minutes. How many minutes? 10 o'clock. So 10 o'clock of as like that, it will become on 11. As like that, you have to mention the time 10:57. What, my dear students, you have to mention the time as like that 10:57. Got my point? And 3 minutes remaining to 11 o'clock. Three minutes remaining to the 11 o'clock. Understood all my dear students? Got my points? I hope you all are understood all my dear students. Got my points what I am telling you? Do fast all dear what I am telling you. So all my dear students, compulsory you have to write of all things in your book dear. Got my points? Do fast all dear. It's what it's present at 10:57. What, my dear students, they all are present at 10:57. They all are present at 10:57, my dear all students. Understood all of you? So do fast and note down these things in your book dear all. And then after we are going to write, then we are going to draw the time of the second clock. Understood all? Then we are going to write, then we are going to draw the clock of second time all dear. Understood dear? Note down these all things in your book dear. So now I am going to be a draw the hands of second means a last clock, question number D. Understood all dear? So you have to write all things in your book dear. So 5:21, 5 o'clock and then it's a 21 minute. 5 o'clock and 21 minutes. Put my points all dear. 5 o'clock and 21 minutes. So I'm going to be draw here 5 o'clock and 21 minutes. Put my points all my dear students. 21 it's what all dear students? 4 is represent what? 4 is represent and 20 and then after 21. 4 is represent at 21 and 5 is what? 25 is represent at 25. Understood all? And after a 4, a one line is represent at 21. But my points, all of you, what I am telling you, you have to note down all things in your book dear. So compulsory you should have to draw and note down this question number D. Okay, 10:57 and 5:21. So my dear all students, 10:57 we have to present as like that and 5:21 we have to present as like that. Got my points all my dear students? Note down this all things in your book dear, and then after we will going to start a question number 4. So now put a heading a question number 4 all my dear students. Put a heading of question number 4 all dear. So all my dear students, we are going to learn now a question number 4, match the following. What we are going to learn? We are going to learn a question number 4, we are going to learn a question number 4. Match the following. Got my points? Understood, my dear students? I hope you all are understood, dear. We are going to learn a question number 4. Match the following. So let's check the first clock time, and then after, okay, first of all, let's check the question number 1, and then after we are going to find that clock. Okay, so 9 minutes after a 10. Okay, means after a 10 means what, all my dear students, 9 minutes after a 9 minutes it will be become a 10 o'clock. So after a 9 minutes, see here, it will be become on where 10 o'clock. So see here, my dear all students. Okay, got my points? So students, here what we are going to check, see here first, directly not we are going to solve a question number B, question number A, directly we are going to solve a B. Okay, 10 minutes before a 9. What, my dear students? 10 minutes before a 9. So let's check, my dear students. 10 minutes before a 9, see. Okay, before a 9. Got my points, all my dear students? Understood, my dear all students, what I am telling you? And then after 9 minutes after a 9 minutes after a 10. Got my points, all dear students? So note down the whole things. And 12 minutes after a 5. So here is the 12 after a 5. It's here. Okay, and 12 minutes before a 5. So it's this clock. Okay, and 9 minutes before a 10. Sorry, after a 10. Okay, after a 10 o'clock, that is a 9 minutes. But my points, all my dear students, again I am going to be repeat for you all, dear. 9 minutes after a 10. What, all my dear students? 9 minutes after a 10. Understood? Got my points? Got my points, my dear students? What I am telling you, note down this all things in your book, dear. 9 minutes after a 10. Okay, got my points? So 9 minutes after a 10. Then after the second is 10 minutes before a 9. So is this clock. Then after the second, C is what? C is, my dear students, 12 minutes after a 5. So 12 minutes after a 5. 12 minutes after a 5. So as like that, all my dear students. And here 12 minutes before a 5. 12 minutes before a 5. So now note down this all clock in your book, dear. I hope you all are understood. So my dear all students, as like that we are going to follow, we are going to match the following. Got my points, all my dear students? Understood? I hope you all are understood, my dear students. What I am telling you, you note down the all things, my dear. And then after we will going to start our further topic is what? Our new further topic, AM or PM. So before writing this, so here we have done exercise number 12A. What, my dear students, here what we have done? Here we have done exercise number 12A. Got my points, all my dear students? Understood? I hope you all are understood, my dear all. Got my points, all dear? And then after I am going to be a start. Our new topic is what? Our new topic is AM or PM. What is the meaning of AM, my dear students? What is the meaning of AM and PM? So easiest way to remember is AM or PM. Okay, so first of all you have to write with me, note down this topic, my dear all students, AM or PM. Easy way to remember AM or PM. So my dear students, AM means what? AM means after a midnight. What is the meaning of AM, my dear all students? AM meaning after a midnight. And what is the meaning of PM? PM means past morning. Okay, So in whenever we are going to check the time, whenever we are going to check the time, and whenever we are write the time and see and check the time, so that time what to do, my dear students? You always the check am or pm. Now I am going to explain here whole concept of the am or pm. Okay, in whenever you are seeing the phones, that time it's written 7 o'clock, 7 p.m., 7 o'clock, 7 p.m., 8 p.m., 7:40 p.m., 7:40 a.m. Okay, so here is the meaning of am is after a midnight, and here is the pm means past morning. AM means what? After a midnight, and PM means past morning. Understood all my dear students? Got my points what I am telling you? I hope you all are understood, my dear. Again and again I am repeating for you all. Again and again I am all repeating for you, my dear all. Okay? AM means after a midnight, and PM means a past morning. AM means what? AM means after a midnight, and PM means past morning. Got my points? Let's draw it 1 hour clock and draw our one example. Got my points? Midday or midnight. AM morning time. All time between a midnight and a midday. All morning time. All times between a midnight and a midday. So you note down these things in your book, dear all. And PM means afternoon and evening time. All times between midday and midnight. Here is the concept of AM or PM. Means midday means middle. Midday means what? Middle day and middle night. Midnight and midday. It is full form is what? Midday or midnight. So note down these things in your book, dear all. Morning time, all times between a midnight, midday, and afternoon and evening times. Got my points, all my dear students? Understood? I hope you all are understood, my dear all. You have to note down these whole things in your book. And then after, my dear students, AM. 12 AM is the midnight. We are sleeping at this time. 12 AM is the midnight. We are sleeping at this time. And here is what, my dear students? Here is 12 PM is noon. We eat lunch at this time. What, my dear students? We eat a lunch, means our lunch time is what? 12 PM. And 12 AM is our sleeping time. So note down these all things in your book, dear all. When we say AM, we are referring to the hours before noon. What we are going to be prefer that we are going to be prefer before noon. Before noon. Okay, and then here, my dear students, when we say a PM, we are referring to the past noon. Past noon. Got my points? Understood? I hope you all are understood, my dear all students. This is the concept of AM or PM. So note down this both sentence in your book, dear all. Good my points, all my dear students. And homework, you have to complete your exercise number 12A in your book. Where we have to you complete your exercise number 12A? In your fair book. Compulsory you have to draw a clock with the help of rounder. And then you have to complete the question number 1, 2, 3 and 4. You have to complete the 4 questions. How many questions you have to complete? You have to do a 4 question. Got my points? Understood? I hope you all are understood, my dear students. Okay, and thank you so much, my dear students. Thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you, all of you all.